Today I'm going to show you how to add sources in OBS Studio. We're going to jump straight into OBS. We are going to go to sources and we're going to click on the plus button. Here you will see a list of sources that you can add. Now, let's say you are working with multiple monitors, and then you can go ahead, as you can see, this display capture over here. Go look for display capture and you can add a display capture. Now, what you will do is give it a name and click on OK, and you will now be able to capture your second display, your second screen. Okay, you can just select a capture method and a display and you'll be able to do so. Now, let's say perhaps we want to just remove this quickly. Let's say we want to add in a window which is not our current screen. Let's say we want to add in our current screen but a different window that we can switch to and from. So we're going to go over here and we're going to look for window capture, add it in over here, select a window to capture, and then you'll see your capture method. Make sure that it's automatic, and then the window match priority. Make sure that this over here says match title, otherwise find window of same type. All right, this is the one that we're looking for. And you want to make sure that it says capture cursor and click on OK. Now you'll be able to then see that this over here will be a window that you will select. Let's say you want it to be a Chrome window, and you'll be able to then switch between these two. So if you just go ahead and turn this off or turn that off, you'll be able to see them. You can also move them about over here like this, and then you'll be able to actually have multiple sources. You can also go in here and you can capture a game source. So if you are playing games and you're wanting to capture your game, then you can add that as a source. And then also if you want just an image, you can do this as well. A media source will allow you to capture video files at the same time as recording your screen.